Hello YouTubers and Galaxy S7 fans, we got a great news for you. It's just been launched, the new firmware, the Android 7.0 nougat. So if you want to have a great phone that will run smoothly, rapidly and very efficient, you have to install the Android by yourself. Or you could do a factory reset if the system is already, if the update is already installed. So you need ODIN and you need smart switch for making a backup. ODIN is a software for installing the firmware. So now, for example, we are in Samsung Mobile, and let's cut to the chase. You got to go at the firmware, and right here on this website, the S7, not S8, S7 Edge, and it will discover here, select it and search it. And here are, guys, the version 7 is the official, this time is the official firmware launch in these two countries, the Android 7.0. Now guys, if you don't want to wait for your country to receive this update, you can install it because it's the last firmware and official. And if, for example, if your phone does not run smoothly and you have problems, wait for that your country, or revert or downgrade to the 6.0.1. Okay, I click for United Kingdom, for example, the Android 7, and you see here the security patch level is 0101 2017. So you can choose. You have to make an account. Now, logged in, you can select regular download and you can download the firmware. You have to wait 40 seconds. It will download yourself an archive. Is this one? I already downloaded it. Let's cancel. And you have to extract it. In the extraction, you will get 4 or 5 files. And then you can use ODIN. I'm going to show you, and please don't skip this tutorial because it's very important that you will not have problems or crash your phone. It's a simple operation. If you respect all the steps, you will get a clean Android nugget. Now guys, do a backup with Samsung Smart Switch. Download it from Samsung, right on, you find it on Google or in Samsung website. And here you can select at preferences, at backup items, what do you want to backup. My recommendation to you is only the essential stuff. Don't backup everything. Because I noticed from one Android firmware to other that we'll get some small bugs. For example, in the contacts, the duplicate contacts, you will find a lot of duplicate contacts. Use only what you need. S-Planner, messages, memo, internet, S-Help. I find this very important. Other settings, you can do it by yourself. The settings, for example, in the phone, you have to work a little bit. Why not have a great bugless, if we can, entire bugless system, operating Android system. These images, remove your SD card, for example. You will not need the SD card. Uncheck these boxes and check wherever is essential. After you did this and leave only what you are interested. Be careful because in the main memory, the main memory will be wiped entirely. So clean your main memory and allow the permissions on the phone. It will appear a message allowing this operation to ignite. After you did the backup to your entire system, and don't forget, make the backup to your Google account and the Samsung account, because you have in the Samsung account the S-Planner, and in the Google account you will have contacts, you will have the messages, the call list and the call journal. And it's very important, those accounts, because if you have a problem, for example, in the smart switch, This backup accounts will help you restore your backup. The ODIN is here. You can use this ODIN. It has the instructions, and make sure repartition is not ticked. So here we have the firmware, the Android 7 nougat, and here BL, you see the letters BL and BL. Select them exactly like in this tutorial. The AP, you have to it's a small delay here while it loads, and it's pretty simple. You have to put these files, and then you have to go in the download mode in the phone, put your phone in download mode and wait. For those of you who will ask, I will lose the warranty. No, you will not lose the warranty, because this is an official update, not a beta release. Pay attention, it's an official update. And this official update has not only the firmware but the bootloader. CSC is the fourth file. And pay attention. Now, for example, you got to put your phone in download mode, and at the COM port, for example, is very important ID COM to be discovered. If you have problems at the ID COM, this COM to be discovered, you have to download and install manually the Samsung drivers. You will find the drivers in the Samsung website, or Google it. It's very, very simple. Now, guys, with your phone closed, let's wait to load the battery. Hold the volume down, the middle key and the power key at the same time, and wait. And now click on the volume up to continue the downloading. Click start, and now it begins to booting and downloading in your phone the Android, and it will display even here. Now, when this bar in 10 minutes, I think the system will load, and after this you will have an original, an official copy of Android that in Sam Mobile you will find only the official versions of Samsung phones. So from there you can download for every phone. It's not necessarily to this phone, but all the phones you got to be careful, and I want to make a few tips as long as the system is loading. For example, in the ODIN free, go at the 3.0.7 for writing the firmwares for Samsung Note 2 or Note 3, because it has smaller boxes. Here, for example, it has only PDA, and you will write a single extension .md5. For example, a single file will write the entire Android in your phone. If you see, we have an older tutorials how to do this, and you can watch in our videos. And please guys, do not skip these videos, because if you will have problems with your phone, we are not responsible. But if you watch from the beginning to the end, you will not have problems, and you can install fresh official copy for your Android devices. So now is resetted my phone, it says pass. When it says pass, you don't have problems, the system perfectly installed. Now you have to wait for installing system update. After this, your system, it's a fresh, clean system, but it's recommended that you will do a factory reset from the recovery menu. The recovery menu is opposite. You don't hold the minus key, you will hold the plus key and the middle key and the power key for the recovery menu, and there you will make a factory reset. Now what we have to do is wait for the system and the phone to ignite. So it's a success. It didn't stay maximum 1 minute to Samsung logo to appear, but this Samsung logo can hold you up to 10 minutes even. So don't get scared, the phone is not blocked. Leave it like this because the phone makes himself all the settings needed. You can power it off. You can go in your recovery menu, and in the recovery menu do a format of your phone, and you will be 100% sure that your system or your phone is cleaned. This Android installation will do a format. I don't know if it's a wipe cache or the entire partition format, but you can select, for example, up key, the volume up, the power key and the middle key, and it will bring you into the recovery menu. There, and let me show you. Let's see. Okay, so now we are in recovery menu. We rebooted in recovery menu, and you can do a wipe data factory reset. Clear the cache partition first with and enable it with the power key and with the plus and minus volume key. Select, and now do a wipe data factory reset. Yes. Formatting data, and all is cleared. Reboot system now, and the Android system will be cleaned. You can make your settings, and this is it, guys. This is a fresh, clean system, and this is a way how to get rid of TWRP. So is that program in the recovery to get the stock original recovery Android, and to remove the TWRP. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope this helped. We're gonna have a lot of tutorials and reviews for this phone. I'm gonna show you even how to make your camera work with that message camera failure. So I found a way. So subscribe, guys, like this tutorial and share it for other people to help other people. We are iTechnology Reviews. You got to love technology because technology is part of our lives. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.